Hello everyone. Today, I'll show you how to replace the battery in your QCore Sapphire infusion pump. Let's get started. First, use a flathead SL 2.0 screwdriver to loosen the screws on the battery compartment. Carefully remove the old battery and replace it with a Sino CS-QRM150MD battery. Next, place the battery cover back in position and securely fasten it with the screw. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery in your QCore Sapphire infusion pump. Thanks for watching.